Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to sharpen a reusable razor blade. Now these things are super inexpensive. However, maybe you found yourself in a situation where you need to resharpen one of those because there is just no replacement. Maybe it's a scraper for some kitchen tool or whatever, and you just need to sharpen them. Here's how to do it. I'm using this Japanese sharpening stone. For these you don't need anything too special, just make sure it is very fine and it is reasonably flat. Then you will also need an implement to hold it. So ideally the very thing you want to use your razor blade in, just use this one because it's basically impossible to hold onto and sharpen if you don't have a tool like this. I'm actually not really gonna use any water. You don't need a lot of time to sharpen these because they are super thin to begin with. With a razor blade like this or a straight razor like this, they are designed so that if you lay it on your sharpening stone like this and then bring the blade onto the stone, you have the perfect angle to sharpen it. This is probably the easiest way. So I'm just touching it like this and then with very light pressure dragging it along. So after a few strokes, I can already feel that I have a slight burr here. So I'm gonna repeat the same step with the other side. Then I'm going to do a little bit of sharpening, basically cutting into the stone, but not really cutting into the stone. And then we should be done. Shouldn't really feel a burr, but to get a little bit of extra sharpness out of our razor blade, I'm gonna use a leather strap. If you don't have a proper strap like this, you just can use the inside of a leather bed, the rough side. Use it with lighter pressure so you don't destroy it, and it will give you still better results than not using a strap. So with this very light pressure, these razor blades are so thin, you don't need much. And just like this, we are done. We can test it out. We're shaving our arm a little bit. And it bites really well. That's a very nice shave. Now we've restored our razor blade and we can continue to use it without replacing it. That was it with this video. I hope you liked it and you learned something. If you did, then consider subscribing to the channel or giving the video a like, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye bye.